Are you looking for an easy way to create 10,000 NFTs or any like 8,000 NFTs, 15,000 NFTs, 5,000 NFTs? Well, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 steps by which you can do exactly this. So let's go onto my computer and I'll show you exactly the 2 steps. So the step 1 is go to open Photoshop, and as you can see here, Photoshop, I have created a character. I've created an NFT. Well, this is a very basic NFT because in order to explain you what the procedure is, I needed to make a very basic art. I just created it in 5 minutes. So the thing is, you have to make separate layers. Like you need to make 5 separate layers of mouth, 5 separate layers of eyes, 5 separate layers of hair, 5 separate layers of background, and then group each layer together. Like group all the layers of mouth together, group all the layers of eyes together, like I have done here. As you can see, these are all the groups: background, face, eyes, mouth, hair. These are all the separate groups. You can do whatever. You can create all these with your own imagination. I can't tell you how to, like, I can just tell you how to export separate layers. I cannot tell you what to create. You need to create it on your own with your own imagination. So create once you've created and grouped all these separate layers, see this. So when I open here, these are separate layers. When I open eyes, these are all separate layers. Now the big question is how to export all these layers individually. So I'll show you the exact way by which you can do this. So to do that, you have to just keep one layer visible. So first we keep the background visible. Go to Files, Export, go to Layers to Files, and then choose PDF. Choose PNG. You need to choose this PNG 24 in order to get a proper full-size canvas separate image. And then go to Browse, and then you need to create these separate folders. So right now we are exporting background, so we click on background and press OK and run. So it'll do a bunch of stuff right here. It's exporting all these into that file which we have selected. So this is done. Now we go to our folder, go to background, and as you can see, I have different layers. They've exported it into like different separate layers. Now we need to do that exact thing with all the other layers. So we'll do it one by one. I'll speed up this process as you guys will get bored. So it's very important to do the exporting process like I have done it, because the next step which I'm going to show you, you will understand why I separated out all the layers and I did this way. You're going to understand that exactly. So now if we go to our NFT folder, we have all the separate layers grouped together. So the step 2 is go to the web browser and open Rare Mints. raremints.club, okay? And then you need to sign up. So once you've signed up, go to your projects and add new project. Go to add new project. Click groups. You can give it any name. I'm going to give it smile. And then once you've done that, you need to give the name of the layers and in that sequence in which you want the NFT to be. So you need to give background, eyes, hair, mouth, background, eyes, hair, mouth. So after background, I need to give face. So I'll just click it here and drag it here. So once you've given all this layers name, you need to just open the folder where we've saved all the NFTs and drag and drop these one by one into the folders. So for background, we need to click and drag the background. So if you're not able to click this, you need to refresh it and then you'll be able to click it. Here, so and then the last one is mouth. So once you've exported all the folders in these layers, you just need to go to generate images and then select one of these, Solana and ERC. This is Ethereum, okay, Solana and Ethereum. So after that, you just need to select the number of NFTs you want to generate. So I'm just going to type 20 because I want to generate 20 NFTs only. Just to show you, you can generate whatever number of NFTs you want. And then I'm going to click generate. So I've got this zip file right here which I need to extract. These are the images and this is the metadata that I have for my NFTs. And then these are the results. So I've got 20 different NFTs now. I have a whole collection. So what it does is it randomizes all the pictures and layers and mixes up all of these. So this was it. This was pretty much it for the video. It was not that difficult and you can do this in under 30 minutes. So if you like the video, please do share, subscribe. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comments, or you can give me any suggestion of any video that you want further.